Hello everyone. We will show you in this video how to install the agent with credentials. Open the website. Sign into your account. Enter your username. Enter your password. Click the Sign In button. Select My Account. Here you can enter a password that you can use when you install the agent. With this password, you can install as many agents as you want, until you change the password to a new one, overriding the current one. Important. Due to security reasons, the agent installation password should not be the same as your account password. Enter the password. To save the password, click the Update Credentials button. Click OK. Nothing else is required for the moment, as the agent is automatically created in the Agent section when it is installed. Now, let's see how to install the agent. We would like to install it on this computer. Start your browser. Open the website. To download the agent, click on the Download button. After reading the important information carefully, click on the Download button. If you click on the Open button, the installer will be downloaded to a temporary folder and then started immediately. To download it to a specified folder, click the Save As button. Click Save. You can open the downloaded file by clicking on Open File. Or, to show the file in the folder, click on the folder icon. Double-click on the file to open it. The installer is loading. Once the installer has started, you can choose to install or run the agent. Select the Install option. Click Next. Click Yes. If necessary, here you can change the path where the agent will be installed. If the path is correct, click Next. To confirm the setting, select Yes. Click Next. Select the Creating a New Agent option. Click Next. Enter your username. Enter the previously set installation password. And again, this is not the password for your account. Enter a name for the agent. Click Next. Installation has been completed. Click Close. Open the monitor. As you can see, the agent is online and ready to use. And now, let's check the installed agent in the account. Select Agents. Here is the newly created agent. The agent is available and ready to use. As it can be seen, it is not included in any group. We don't have to put it in a group, but if we have more agents, it's more convenient. Before we put it in a group, let's have a look at the groups. Select groups. Here are the groups that have been created earlier. If you want to put it in a group that is not in the current list, create a new group by clicking on the plus button. Now, we will use this group. Switch back to Agents. Open the menu of the new agent. Select Edit from the menu. If you don't want to put this agent in any group, leave the group field blank. Otherwise, using the drop-down menu, select the group you want. You can also provide a description to the agent, if you wish. To save your changes, click the Confirm button. To test the connection to the agent, click on the agent. The connection with the agent has been successfully established. Let's try the screen app. The screen application also works properly. This brings us to the end of the setup process. We hope that we could give you the right guidance on how to install the agent with credentials. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.